Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Samsung Galaxy F54. So you have to start with opening your internet browser and now click on search engine and type in yep.com and click search, and now you have to search something using your search engine. Now click here and then go to settings and click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, and you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to yep.com. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.